All right, well, when you look at your body, do you like what you see? Do you see some loose, sagging skin? Maybe some bumps in places that they shouldn't be? Well, Dr. Jeffrey Ptak is a board-certified plastic surgeon and is here to explain how heat is being used to tighten skin and reduce fat. And it's always good to see you because this is one of my favorite topics.
Well, it's good to see you again, Terry.
Okay, Dr. Ptak, it's called Thermi RF.
Correct.
That's the technique that you use. What exactly is it?
Well, Thermi RF is literally the science of heat applied to shrinking and tightening and smoothing skin. This is a real game changer because in the past, as a surgeon, I've always had to make incisions, cut, sew, and it leaves scars. This is skin tightening really for the first time without scars.
Wow, and you know what? You have said to me before that this is a game changer.
Absolutely
You've never
is.
seen anything like this before.
Yeah, you and I've known each other for a long time.
Yes, we
There's been
have.
a lot of technology with fancy names and a lot of promises and hype that just has really under-delivered.
Okay.
This doesn't just deliver. I think it's one of those sort of jaw-dropping types of responses that we get from these treatments. Right.
Wow. All right. Well, let's take a look at some before and afters. Speaking of jaw dropping, if you have something that's hanging from your jaw that you'd like to get rid of, this technique will work. You can see just in 7 weeks after the treatment, 18 months later, it continues to get better and improve.
It really does. It continues. That's because of heat tightening the collagen in your skin. And this is the phenomenon that as you age, skin loosens, collagen loosens. We can reverse that by applying heat very controlled, very effectively, very safely.
And this is technically not a surgery. There is some probes used.
Right.
However, it's not major scarring. There's little downtime. And look at this before and after.
Correct.
And when you say skin tightening,
It
it's
really does.
evident.
It smooths and it takes that kind of cottage cheese look out. It is done in the office under a local anesthetic with a very small probe, so the doctor has to do this. But you can see that it can really, it takes that patient that maybe doesn't really want surgery, there isn't a need for a major procedure, but it can really get some very effective results. We can even use it to reduce small fat contents, little bulges here and there that, you know, maybe would be in the past for liposuction.
Okay. Now, and downtime is minimal on this. What are we talking about?
Very minimal downtime. There may be a tiny bit of bruising. I encourage you to wear a compression garment after that for a few days, but literally you walk in and walk out.
Wow, that's insane. Now, there is another procedure that also uses heat, and we're looking at the before and after here, and this is just a topical treatment.
Correct.
No probes.
There are two devices that the company makes that are sister devices. The first one we were talking about involves a probe under the skin. This is purely topical, done with a little wand over the skin for a period of 10 to 15 minutes. It's very comfortable, there's no anesthetic need, and you can see that it really does some phenomenal results of tightening and smoothing the skin.
But it's multiple treatments, right?
This one requires multiple treatments, yes.
How many?
Typically 4 in a series.
Okay.
But they're very, very reasonably priced. But we could use it from head to toe.
That's amazing. So there really isn't any part of your body that you can't use?
We use it in the face, neck, chest, décolleté, arms, tummies, buttocks, thighs, knees, and elbows. So
oh my gosh.
Other than that,
We've got you covered from head to toe. All right, and I want to quickly talk about, you have an event that you're holding at your office for people to learn more.
Correct, because there's so much to talk about. I mean, we even use this device to basically do what would be called like permanent Botox. So we're doing this on February 12th. There's so much to discuss.
Wow. Okay, so if you want to learn more, there's the information. You need to RSVP 480-451-9220. But Dr. Ptak also has a special offer for those who are interested in the procedures. The Thermi RF treatment, $2,000 per area. The Thermi Smooth treatment, which is the topical treatment he talked about, is $1,250 per area. There is a $50 consultation fee that will be applied towards your procedure. All right, you're wondering, where is he? How can I get more? Dr. Ptak has an office in Scottsdale, and the address is 9431 East Ironwood Square Drive in Scottsdale. Call 480-451-9220 or visit drptak.com.